You'll only see on 5 at the southern edge of the world. Scientists say western Antarctica's ice sheets are in danger of collapse. They say with warming temperatures, the melt rate has speeded up 5 times faster compared to the early 90s, which could cause sea levels to rise. One group of scientists from the Abercrombie Kent expedition team believes if people see what's happening firsthand, they will feel compelled to act. They took me along for the challenging yet spectacular journey to the bottom of the world. We charge toward the bottom of the Earth to the 7th continent.
The Alps meet the ocean with an incredible abundance of life, and it is an explosion of life.
To get there, we must cross the Drake, the convergence of oceans south of Argentina.
It's not expected to be biblically bad.
We just secure everything.
Infamous for its rough seas. They're forecasting 70-knot winds and waves as tall as 30 feet.
Oh.
The expedition team from Abercrombie Kent says what's on the other side is worth the harrowing journey. This is some of the most inhospitable uninhabited land on the planet and inaccessible 9 months of the year.
It's just too hostile. It's covered 98% by ice. That ice is on average like a mile thick. Temperatures drop all the way down to -40, -60.
The pristine conditions make Antarctica ideal to study the changing planet.
And here is A57A. And A57A is the not glamorous name for a very large tabular iceberg.
Some cracked icebergs are the size of small states.
Like right now we're looking at an 11-mile long iceberg, and so it's kind of a place of superlatives.
I believe it's come from the Wilkins ice shelf. And in response to global warming, especially warm currents coming up from underneath this ocean, it's been gradually breaking up.
As remote as this landmass of 5.4 million square miles is, scientists say what happens here impacts us.
Since 1998, they estimate that about 3 trillion tons of water have melted off the Antarctic, the West Antarctic, and the Antarctic Peninsula. And this has contributed quite significantly to global sea level rise.
When we came down 31 years ago, we had places that we thought were land masses. They're now islands.
And the habitat is changing. Some penguin populations have declined by 80%. These scientists believe education is a powerful tool to show why all should care about this mysterious, otherworldly place.
When people come here and we have a chance to show people what this is about and what actions you can take in your house that can impact places like so remote like this, it kind of clicks something in people's head.
Whoa! Abercrombie & Kent's going on another expedition December 7th. For more information, visit abercrombiekent.com.
Wow, amazing pics.
It was so cool to see the little penguins waddle by you, and they weren't even scared because they're not used to having any sort of interaction with people. But scientists say, you know, the research down there in terms of the changing climate, crucial, but also they're making advances in breakthrough treatments for various diseases like cancer.
Did your